To return to flat seated position, unlock the chair, swing back and raise forward tilt lever up. You can then lock the chair.
Are you just pressing randomly?
No, I'm trying to follow, man. This thing is so
Slide
complicated.
lever is located front left.
Oh, no.
To
Check this out, check this out.
Outwards,
Outwards,
and slide seat forward or back to the desired seat depth.
Outwards.
Release lever
Pull it
to lock the
outwards.
seat in place. Your chair adjustable or multi-adjustable arm.
Pull, dude.
To adjust,
Hindi push,
lever on
pull it
the outside
outwards.
arm to unlock, and then raise up or down to desired height. If multi-adjustable, the arm pads can move forward and
Parang yung
back.
dog. Alam mo yung dog na...
happening?
Alam mo yung dog na winawipe mo yung butt niya sa floor?
Another week passed. Look, usually yung mga meetups namin is per week.
Mama!
But on the 4th week,
She's pregnant. Ay, sorry. I found out that she's pregnant.
well, excuse the guys behind me. Okay, on the 4th week, I popped the question.
What? What?
No, hindi pa naman yun.
You pop the cherry.
You pop...
Hindi pa yun. Hindi pa. So, tinanong ko sa kanya, will you be my girlfriend? And then,
Oh, sabi mo na.
at first,
We're not ready!
wait lang. At first, sabi niya, hindi siya ready.
Alright. Thank you so much sa Rumble Royale.
Tara, kami tayo! Yay! Thank you, guys!
Yay! Thank you guys. And
Susie!
yan. Hi naman tayo dyan. Hi tayo dyan. So keep on sharing, keep on supporting the Rumble Royale official streamers.
Guys, don't
Let's
forget
go.
to like and follow Rumble Royale!
Oh, sabay-sabay tayo.
Sabay-sabay tayo, guys, ha?
3, 2, 1, go!
Reign Supreme!
Bye-bye! 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 Bye-bye!
Dude, ano yun eh?
Okay na to, mama.
Yes. Flowers for our talents. Talents. Parang mas maganda yung pink na to.
Matapon to.
Thank you guys.
Kay Nagi.
Thank you. Ay, alam niyo, ito lang aming sabihin ako sa inyo. Hindi kasi ako, hindi ako tumatanggap ng flowers. Hindi ako tumatanggap.
Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's! Thank you!
150. Joke.
Saan to?
Sa amin.
Ay, thank you so much!
Hindi, kay Balta.
Ano? 600. Bayad ka.
Ay, grabe. Thank you so much
bawas siya sa...
for the flowers.
Yuyu! Happy Valentine's! And happy birthday!
Bagay sa hair mo.
Bagay sa hair mo yan. From RR Peeps.
Oh, thank you guys! Oh my gosh. Oh, yan na to! I want to get it!
What? Like what? Happy Valentine's! Ano yung nilalaro mo?
Emily wants to play.
Oh, kaya pala may kata.
Hindi sa pulong yun, okay?
Taas mo nga
5
naman mo.
seconds.
Taas, wait lang kami mo. Tapos sabihin mo.
Sabi mo, Weibo! Say Weibo! Weibo!
Ha? Ano meron mo? At ba't naka-diaper ka?
Happy Valentine's! Yay!
Thank you!
Seth, close your eyes. Give me your hand. Happy Valentine's. Yay! Can you sit for your girls and stuff? Picture ni Philippines sa loob. Parang si Seth hindi natulog ng 5 araw. Diba? Ha? Ngayon? Mag-angkas ka.
Kaya nga, buko na angkas.
Ay, kasi 14 ngayon. Jigs, masakit ba? Oh. Oh.
Anong date niyan, Jigs?
Feb 14.
Anong date niyan, Susie?
Feb 14.
Ba't si Jigs nasa kama pa rin?
Walang ka-date eh. Oh.
Pogi ka.
Aww, hindi nagpapaplay. Jiggy! Jiggy! Jiggy boy!
Everybody sing. Wait, dito kayo sa good. Wait.
Picture tunaw yun! Tunaw niya!
Sa mga crush!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
That's the best cake ever.
Ice cream eh.
Chocolate pancakes.
Kasi yung favorite cake mo daw pancake, so we tried.
Actually, hindi ko sa pancakes.
Siya,
Palagi
blue.
ko siyang craving. Thank you guys. Ayun, spoon.
Don't eat the candles.
Well, I'm